Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers not fall apart. Press and chill patties before cooking to help them hold shape. Start by choosing the right grind and fat ratio, then gently form patties without compressing them. Keep seasoning simple and salt just before cooking to retain moisture. Use a hot pan or grill, flip once, and rest briefly to set juices and keep burgers intact and juicy. Start by picking the right meat and handling it with care to preserve texture. Shape patties lightly and create a small dimple in the center to counteract shrinking and doming. Chill patties briefly so they stay firm on the grill. Avoid over-seasoning and salt timing to keep moisture in. Cook on a hot surface and flip only once for a stable, juicy burger that holds together while you build your sandwich. Heat your grill or pan until it's hot enough to sear the outside quickly and lock in juices. Place chilled patties down and resist the urge to press them while cooking. Flip once when a good crust forms, then finish to desired doneness. Toast buns and use heartier toppings or a thin barrier like lettuce to keep sauces from soaking into the bun, which helps prevent the burger from falling apart when bitten.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.